Want to connect your Telegram wallet to Binance? In this quick guide, I will show you the exact steps to link your wallet and start using Binance Connect. So first open Telegram and search for the wallet in the search bar and tap on the official wallet board and start the chat. If you haven't set up a wallet yet, follow the prompts to create one. Next, go to your wallet settings and tap on manage fund. Let me show you the steps quickly. So these are the steps here. So then select external connections and here you will find Binance Connect as an option. This one here. So just click on it and it will connect to your wallet. Now tap Binance Connect and follow the on-screen instructions. You need to log into your Binance account and authorize the connection. Once confirmed, Telegram will be linked to your Binance. And if you want a official document, you can find go to this link here, and they have an official say instruction on how to use Binance Connect on and transfer funds between Telegram wallet and Binance, paid P2P, and make payments in crypto directly in Instagram. And that's it. It's pretty easy. Just follow the steps I have said, and you'll be connecting it in no time.